How to make a YouTube banner. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to make a YouTube banner. Before we get started, if you're new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe to be updated for our new releases. And without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Template. On your phone, make sure you have Canva installed. Open it, then search for YouTube banner. Afterwards, select your template of choice. Step 2. Customize. Once you have selected a banner template, customize it to your heart's content. For my banner, I will be changing the title and text, as well as modify the color scheme to suit my niche. And that's it! That is how you make a YouTube banner. We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!